now watching Joezilla TV.
That's gonna take a while to clean.
Holy crap.
Look at this Look.
Dang.
Gonna take a little bit longer.
That's fine.
Good Lord. Look.
Dang.
Look. I mean,
that's oil and water mixed together. Holy crap. Ugh.
So these are your antifreeze ones. This is where the antifreeze goes.
Yeah.
These are your intakes. And then these two front ones are your antifreeze.
Ah.
That blowing right there, see it?
Ooh.
Right there.
Yeah.
And right here.
Oh, wow.
And it was filling that with water quick.
Yeah.
I mean, that is straight.
Dang.
Just, ooh.
Probably gonna take about weeks to do.
Hey, picture this.
Yeah, I'm filming this.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Damn, Joe, when you do it right.
Big time.
Well, hell, if you're gonna do it right.
Yeah. I did it damn good.
Have to show this to Dad.
He's probably gonna laugh about it. Oh crap.
Look at that. That's just, I mean, that's caked in there, Joey. It's like pudding.
Oh yeah. That's bad. That's crazy.
That's your cam right there.
Oh man.
And under here, those are your push rods. Your lifters and shit are down in there, buried underneath all this.
Ugh. Dang. That's wild.
I mean, it's deep.
Yeah.
When I say deep,
That's bad.
that shit deep.
Yeah. This is so going on YouTube.
How to blow a Chevy intake gasket 101.
Yeah.
That felt like a piece of metal.
Yeah.
Just dirt.
Yeah. That is bad.
I bet them valves and shit are all just
Dirty.
That's disgusting. I ain't never seen one this bad. You got me beat on the Taurus.
Yeah. Hey, I didn't know it was going to happen.
It's blowing right there too, see it?
Ooh, man.
See how that black's moved away?
Yeah.
It's just pouring water in it right there, see?
Yeah.
Look, there ain't even no plastic under that.
Oh, man. That's bad.
Look, that one's the same way. Look. Now, wait to get over here. See that?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get this thing off. Man, that thing's broke in 2 spots.
That's...
Look, see how it bends?
Yeah.
Look, all that plastic gone right there.
Well, it is old.
Yeah. Yeah, see right there?
Yeah.
All that's gone. All that's gone, so it was just pouring straight water in there. Look, right there to the... See?
Wow. That's bad.
Give my shirt back. Pull this other one off.
Ooh.
Right there, see it?
Yeah.
Right there. See right there?
Dang. Must have did it good.
Yep, right there too.
Oh man.
It's not I mean, it's not what you did, it's just the truck's so damn old.
Yeah, they gave out.
I mean, you get miles on you gonna give out too.
Yeah. That's what happens when your intake gaskets get blown so bad. So, yeah.